Studying for an undergraduate degree at university is an investment in your future, and it can set you up for a fulfilling and rewarding career.
There's a reason that CCCU is rated
top 3 in employability in the UK.
And that's because we're committed to supporting you in achieving your long-term career prospects. A degree is an investment in your future.
Guilty!
If you're unsure or concerned about how to finance your studies, then you're not alone. Actually, it's not as confusing as it seems. Thanks, Claire. In this video, we'll help you navigate the costs and show how you can afford your education and experience at university. There are 2 types of student finance you can apply for: tuition fee loans and maintenance loans. Tuition fee loans cover the cost of your course fees, while maintenance loans provide financial support for living costs, such as accommodation, food, travel, and any specific resources for your course. It's important to know that although these are loans and do accrue interest, they're not like other types of borrowing, such as with personal loans or credit cards. You don't need to start repaying your loans until after you graduate and earn over a specific income threshold. Your repayments depend on how much you earn, not how much you owe. You're eligible if you're over the age of 18 and this is your first funded course, have been accepted onto a qualifying programme, and meet residency or nationality requirements. You can apply for both full-time and part-time courses. Unlike tuition fee loans, the amount you can borrow for a maintenance loan is linked to your financial status. To access these loans, you'll need to apply to Student Finance, which manages your application and distributes the money while you study. Once you've created an account on their website, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, your course, and your household income. You can find out everything you need to know about student finance on the government website. The current cost of living crisis is affecting everyone, and in partnership with the Students' Union, we want to work together to support each other during this time. We've already talked about funding for full-time and part-time undergraduate and postgraduate courses, but what if you're not eligible or need additional financial support? Well, depending on your circumstances, you may be able to access alternative funding, such as other government funding or private sponsorship. For further options, visit our website.
At Canterbury Christ Church University, we award a number of grants, scholarships and bursaries to help make university affordable. Unlike student loans, you don't need to pay these back. For the full details, check out the link in the description.
There are so many ways to earn while you learn, including becoming a paid student ambassador.
Then walk on the grass.
Or you can get valuable work experience and boost your finances with Unitemps. On campus, we have experts in finding jobs for students. At Unitemps, paid work can easily fit around your studies and commitments. This means it's flexible around you. Our team of friendly student support advisors can help you access financial support and can also help with budgeting and money management, including student banking and savings. Reach out to discover how to make your student budget stretch as far as possible.
And that's it. Don't be afraid to explore your options and take advantage of the opportunity to invest in yourself and your future.
Start your journey with Canterbury Christ Church today. We're here to help you succeed.